beauty of the X10 is it doesn't just passively move your knee where you're not thinking about it, but you're in that machine, you're actively engaging your muscles, you're firing your neuromuscular system, it improves your vascularity, decreases the risk of a blood clot, and people are getting their motion back faster, they're having less pain, it's easier on the family members that are there helping take care of them.
In getting that knee motion faster, which we can do with the X10, getting the swelling out faster, which we can do with the X10, on top of the more frequent therapy, what we're seeing is significantly shortening what that painful window is.
The X10 has really helped the patients improve their strength much quicker than a traditional knee replacement patient would. The faster people are able to rebuild their quad strength, the happier they're going to be.
It actually reduces the amount of pain, swelling, allows patients to regain their range of motion much quicker than they were able to before or without the device. And it prevents problems down the road where the knee can become stiff and not move. And patients have done tremendous with it.